Dabugaphi.
Nango uziro inkinga sanibonani ngiye ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. So lalela mntu omnyama. I'm here to start a revolution. I'm here to explain izinto and hopefully open the minds of abantu abamnyama. You understand, abantu might look at me and judge me, but you have to understand ukuthi my age shouldn't define into ezophuma lemlomeni.
Yes.
It should be into that will educate you. It should be into ezokwenza sure ukuthi it changes your life. Yeah, well, let's promote black excellence.
Yeah.
That's why I'm here. I feel like that's why ngila emhlabeni, to promote black excellence and make sure it's umuntu omnyama uyathuthuka. And I'm thankful ukuhlala nawe la.
The black excellency young man, he has put your life in danger. That's where I start. As we speak, you are deep in shit. As you speak, you are dilly-dallying, hide and seek. What is happening in China and how did we get here?
Hey, it all started with me realizing ukuthi kunezinto engizaziyo abanye abantu abangazazi. Manje inkinga iyodwa la eSouth Africa, I finally understand ukuthi umuntu omnyama who uses ingqondo yakhe, umuntu omnyama who decides to think beyond the system uba threat. So the things I shared, the truths I revealed kubantu kungenze ngabe threat kubanye ama individuals, and they came for me. They came for me, yeah. But manje inkinga, I am ignorant of the dangers of lento engenzayo. Ngiphazamisa umsebenzi. But I have to in order to free the black community. I feel like Lelizwe is built on amanga, on top of amanya manga, and in order for us to see a way forward, especially within the black community, as it destroy amanga, see build ekabusha, we can rebuild. But first, let's deconstruct the system. First, let's destroy yonke into ebambezela umuntu omnyama.
Uyabuza umdala ekhaya. Unangakhi lo mfana okhuluma indaba ezinzima kanje?
Hey, ngisana 22, still 22 years old. But I feel like that doesn't matter kumuntu omdala. What matters lana ukuthi I want to make a change.
The spiritual awakening. When was the time where the penny dropped and you realized ukuthi I have a gift? And it's not only a gift. I'm really a bomb that's ready to explode. When was that time? We realized good. No, I'm flying into the future.
Ngakhula nawo le nto leyo. Even when I had friends, because ngikhulela ukushina, I'm no different than umchito ohleli lapha esitolo. I'm no different than umchito ohleli emgaqweni right now. Ukuthi at an early age I was equipped with knowledge and amengazi ngiyithatha. It matters a lot then ukuhlala emgaqweni ukuthi mangena imali wena ucabanga ukuthi thinthe ngitsango or uthi ngithenga ibhiya.
Yeah.
Because even as umuntu omdala ibhlungu lento, because asinawo ama hero. That's why ukuhlala nawe kanje umuntu obukelayo right now uzosho ukuthi finally someone who representa mina ukwazi ukuhlala etafuleni with one of the greats, akhulume neHoodman, afunde, because ama legends ethu, ama hero ethu asemakasi, umuntu uzokuthetha mshanami unemali thenga ubhiya asiphuze. Uzokutshela mshanami yazi inkantina leyana kanjani i-right asibhema mshanami, akuthume ugwayi from a very young age. Ngane na 10 thume ugwayi, automatically you're installing leyo mindset to i-right lento, because why urazi uyayenza. Awazi ukuhlala nawe phansi akutshela no, here's the way forward. Enza lokhu, it'll take you away from the system yala, izokusiza. Nalokho basicorrupt asinawo amarazo.
I'm tempted to give you an opportunity, just to ventilate and we go deeper now into these real issues. I came across your videos, a while back, and yes. I've been asking myself, ngoba manje mawuhleli le reason ngakhona ngithi le ntwana mhlambe intwana egrowth mara ine baby face, you understand? Only now sengiyayithola ukuthi le ntwana kahle vele intwana encane but intwana eyenza izinto, and intwana ethumekayo, intwana esese namaphupho kusengashintsha izinto.
I guess the first video it made a big splash in the community and social media was when I decided to talk about amaring that are worn by Freemasons, bishops and everything. So I noticed, one day I noticed, I really thought it's okay. Why is it that every single person who has the influence like South Africa, kuba khona certain rings awaqokayo?
But give us the content, and what you were saying on that video. Obviously, after research, there are utterances. There's how ubeka lento ngakhona. When someone is writing a song, Dear
Yeah.
Mama kaTupac asikhohle.
Asikhohlwa.
Yeah.
It's like it's a rabbit hole bhuti omdala. It's a rabbit hole, and once wangena you just see more.
Yeah.
And the more you see, the more uqala usaba. Inkinga was when I finished part 3 with it, and kwaqala manje kwashuba, because they saw ukuthi I just exposed everything ngabo kwashuba. They came for me kanzima. Even no TikTok wanted to ban my account. Ka reporter phela nga appeal because I didn't know why manje account yami banned.
Yeah.
And then banganginika izathu right, they brought back the account. Kwawuthi certain individuals manje sebefika ngasekhaya looking for me because of the knowledge I shared. I guess they think it's sure it's like South Africa, if you use your head, if you think beyond the system, by threats.
Been doing nothing but good mchana. We are all inspired, you know. Thina some of us ngikhuluma ngabantu ababukela lento enizenzayo. Ngiyababona abosizwe Mpofu, ngiyababona abo Pen, ngiyababona abo Sbu. Gents, it's a revolution. I culture entsha le, and ngicabanga ukuthi it's here to stay.
Mele ngibuze wena bhuti omdala, do you feel ukuthi si free like wena ke, because phela indlela ibuzwa kwabaphambili ezabantu abamnyama?
No, we're still far from that. Yonke into monopoly. The issue of freedom, mina it's a state of mind kimi. Kufana nejele. Ijele abantu bayaboshwa benza ama life sentences bengaphandle.
Yabona, you touched on a topic a very sensitive, financial literacy, imali. Umuntu omnyama, we are not taught imali esikoleni. Umuntu omnyama uzaphume high school engazi ukuthi yini ama stocks, yini ama bonds, what is it Bitcoin, ukusave ngenza kanjani.
Yeah.
Why besincisha leyo knowledge? Because if usingenayo, we cannot create a generational wealth. Umuntu can have $1 million manje, but because he lacks the knowledge, ingaphela within a year.
Umuntu would rather give you money, mara ngeke akutshela uyithathaphi or uyenza kanjani. Le ndaba ye-killing and what have you, istarte ngayo lento yokuthi umuntu uqala esweni enhlizweni. Ngangenza imali 10,000, 20,000, nginamateksi awu-10 ngi-1. The next thing sekufika ungubani ufake 8, immediately I cut half in half imali yami. So if I kill Ngubani, I'm back in business.
It's there, even the pictures are there. We have even our first black president in Isike Simbone. Tombeni that are out there. Gogile lama outfits akhona. Emile with certain bishops shoot ithombe. So it's right in front of you. You just gotta search for it. You just gotta know ukuthi ngifunani, and you will find it. But be careful. There are some things. There are some windows. Ungathi masuwavule ngasavaleke. Because manje you know too much. You know too much as umuntu omnyama.
Once ungene la, once you subscribe to lento or ukhuluma ngokureview.
Yeah, once nje hayi ukuthi you subscribe nje cha nje, once wayiqaka nge-knowledge.
Oh yeah.
Manje kuba nzima because usuyibona everywhere you go, and then you like uqala ukusaba, you know, ukusaba konke lokhu, because you're scared it's okay, maybe they'll notice you and they'll come for you. Because manje angithi there's a secret society. Wena manje usuqhamuka usuyaveza.
How powerful are these secret societies? Because you are saying they are running the world. Actually basiphethe. Whether siyathanda sithanda isiphethe.
Basiphethe. It goes as far as ukuthi like South Africa, when we elect a president, kuphela a few months and then ahambe aye England. England, there are pictures. It's out there. Lento ikhona. People must connect the dots. England, bafika laphaya, bagqokiswe the full attire, and they have to say an oath in front of the Queen Elizabeth. Now washona sekukomunye, but they say an oath promising ukuthi no matter what happens, njengoba kuyiterm yami yokuphatha, I will not ngiphazamise umsebenzi. There are certain things ezenzeka la eSouth Africa engizoyeka and turn a blind eye. Ngingazenzi. I exposed that oath ngayisho bayibona abantu. So I'm not shocked ima ukuthi ipresident kwenzeka into ethize and then pretend ngathi akabonanga. I'm not shocked ima ukuthi kufika uCovid-19 and then upresident sezusiza abantu ukuze kufike imali, but no assistance came to abantu. That's why I'm so against politics kanje. I feel like this country needs some kind of revolution. that will reshape the whole structure itself, senze
Yeah.
sure ukuthi it also favors umuntu omnyama.
Yeah.
Because in a way, even this government itself doesn't favor us. Why sihlupheka kanje? Why sihlupheka kanje singabantu abamnyama when we have a government that is run by black people? Proving ukuthi there is a shadow government erana every day.
Bona balandela okunye.
Mm.